Hello, good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to deal with this particular question, which is based on percentages, and it is particularly based on a topic called compound percentage. Now, if you go by this question, it says that in some village, the population increases exponentially at a rate of R% per annum, and at the end of 5 years the overall increase in the population is 10.41 percentage. You have to find the value of R. So you are supposed to find the value of R. Okay, so let us see how we can solve this question. Fine. So the question says that the population increases exponentially at the rate of R% per annum. So first we are going to see that the multiplying factor of this particular question is 1 plus R upon 100. Okay, and this can be written as like 1 plus R upon 100 raised to a n. Suppose the period is n. Okay, so this is one formula which we are going to use. The second formula is percentage increase in population will be given by, say, P minus P naught divided by P naught times 100. This is the second formula that we are going to use, okay, whereby P is the population the 5 years and P naught is the original population. Okay, fine. And the increase in the population is given in the question as 10.41. Fine. So first of all, using this formula number 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n, I'll do one thing. I'll write P, that is population after 5 years, is equal to P naught into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to a 5, because the population is calculated after 5 years. Okay, so this is your first formula. Second formula is this, I will write as P, which we'll be using later. Now increase in population. Now, so using the second formula, I can write increase in population, which is 10.41 percentage, is equal to, the formula says that P minus a P naught upon P naught whole times into 100. Okay, now this 10.41 upon 100 will be equal to P upon a P naught minus a P naught upon a P naught. Okay, and this works out to 10.41 divided by 100 equal to P over a P naught minus a 1. Got it? Now this can be simplified to 0.1041 equal to P divided by P naught minus 1, and if you bring this minus 1 onto the left hand side, it will become 1 plus 1041 equal to P times P naught. Okay, now what I'll do is I'm going to substitute the equation A. Okay, so P is equal to P naught into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to 5. This I'm going to put in this formula, that is in B. Right. So let me use this space. Now putting A in B, what I get, let us see. So 1.1041 equal to, now according to this A equation, P is equal to this much. So I'll put P naught into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to 5 upon P naught. Right? This will cut away and I'll get 1.1041 equals 1 plus R over 100 whole raised to 5. Okay, we are interested in finding this R. Okay, so from here we can get the value of R. Now what I'll do is I want to get rid of this 5. So I'll do this 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to 5. The whole thing I'll raise to 1 upon 5. This will get rid of my 5 on the right hand side, the power 5. But the same thing I'll have to do here also, 1.1041 whole raised to 1 over 5. To balance the equation, I have to do the same operation on both the sides. And this 1.1041 raised to 1.1 upon 5 can be written as 1.1041 raised to 0.2. And this will work out to 1 plus R upon 100. That's it. Okay. This 5 and 5 will get cut. Okay. So far I have reached. Now let us work out this 1.1041 raised to 0.2. 1.1041 raised to 0.2 is giving me the answer as 1.02, and I'm getting 0.0354447, something like that. Okay, 0.03547. Right, on the calculator I'm getting this value. This is equal to 1 plus R over 100. Now this, let me reduce it to 3SF. So I'll get 0.02 equal to 1 plus R upon 100. And if I bring this one on this side, okay, okay, this is not 0.00, it's 1.00, right? Right, 1.02. Now if I bring this one on the left hand side, I'll get 1.02 minus 1 is equal to R upon 100, and this gives me 0.02 equal to R upon 100, and this gives me R equal to 0.02 times 100, which is nothing but 2. So I'm getting R, my answer is R equal to 2. Okay, so the value of R I'm getting as 2. Let me tell you, this was a problem based on the compound percentage. We have used here two formulas. Number one, the formula which talks about the increase or decrease in the population, that is this one. And number two, the formula which is related to compound interest, that is P is equal to P naught into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So these are the two formulas that we have used together to solve this problem. Thank you very much for being with me. Goodbye. Take care, all of you.